Hello everyone and welcome to another trade with the Day Trader Survivor. AEL is starting with a big crash and huge recovery, and I want to go and join the crash because the recovery is just too amazing. It's about 20 cents risk because I'm in the middle of the recovery going to stop if it's going to touch me and go. Look at that. If it's going to finish the recovery and start running up, I'm good with it. Okay, so if it's creating new highs, so if it's running over the 19, kind of the 20, I'm going to leave it, which didn't happen and I just entered. And looking for partial one to be kind of 1925-ish. Hopefully that will work fine. Right now, the only thing that I really care about is how can I move my stop. Does not look good to start with. I did not update the stop, by the way. I just put it on the entrance, but I did not update it. So I still with a full risk, which I personally don't really like. I think I'm about to... Okay. So I push the stop just a bit. It's kinda half of my risk now. I'm looking to see it like in the 30, 35. Okay, I just update my stop. It's in my entrance. So it wouldn't go too bad now. Can I get partial one? Can I? Just a bit more, just a bit. Yes, you can do it. Where are you going? Oh damn. What are you? Don't go there. I'm out. I couldn't got partial one. It's so close. Finished with 16 bucks profit, but still so close. And if I wouldn't cut the loss, I would have lost big here. So I was looking for more trades. Okay, the first one is a bummer. It kinda ended when it started. And now I'm looking at EBON. And I'm looking what I can do here. And I'm kinda... I want to see the going over the VWAP as a failure. If that's the case, I have like 30 cents stop here. That's what I'm looking for. See, that's creating a new low, and here I'm in. I didn't set up stop yet, and that's not good. So let me kind of do that first of all, and that's looking really bad to start with. Looking for partial one on the 9 pretty much, which is the lowest of the day. And where the hell are you going? Okay, if it's continuing that way, I will cut my loss and leave, basically run away. Okay, what? Okay, I couldn't update it yet because I got message from Interactive Brokers that they're trying to save me and basically help me lose more money. Okay, now I submitted it. Okay, so I'm out. Really not a good trade. I finished with 43 bucks loss, which is a bit over the half risk level, but I did save a lot of money here because it failed completely and miserably. So I looked for more trades. Okay, so I got two that basically lost a bit, and I'm looking for a reversal failure. So over the 50 I will take it, 25 cents stop. still waiting to see if it will go up. Right now it's looking good. Okay, so just over the 29.80. I will take my partial one if I can. And what are we doing today? And I mean, okay. What? Okay. Mistake error. A mistake and an error. I need to kind of put my stop on my entrance. Just did. We're just a bit up. Saying a partial 2. Come on, give me partial 1. Just a bit more. Just a bit. Come on. Don't give me another out in my entrance. Come on, please don't. Come on. Don't like where it's going. Doesn't move. And I want it to move. Really, really depressing. Just a bit. Yeah, that's the direction. Just a bit. Give me the 84. Come on. Stop playing around. Do what you're supposed to do. And I'm out. That's really depressing. So 3 trades basically failed. And look at that, it's kind of moving. I finished with $10 loss here. Really depressing. And look at that, it's kind of crashed. So 3 trades that I'm off by any direction. I decided to take the last one. And it's working or not working. I will do my best, and that's pretty much all I can do. And I'm looking to take it over the 8 with a 10-cent stop, which is, by the way, my minimum kind of stop. So if the stock will give me like 3 cents, I will never enter. It's too close for me to kind of eat the spreads, because you can't do a stop in the same price, because there is a huge chance that it's going to miss. And I'm always using stop limit and not stop, so I don't want to risk it. Now I want it to kind of continue and break the pattern. So I'm looking for the 8. Now this is a heavy stock, so it might take me a few minutes to actually do something here. And the problem is it's becoming too late, or kind of starting being late for me. So 10:15, if it's not in, I'm out, kind of closing the computer and saying, okay, wasn't my day, and that would be all. But if it's entering before that, I will give this trade every chance that I can. Basically, the only thing that I need to do while I'm trading is kind of move the stop to the entrance. Once I'm doing that, it's kind of a free trade for me, so it's all good. Come on, what are you doing? 97. Sorry, 9.97. on, there is the 8. Where's the 8? 998, and I'm in. Now show me the momentum continues. Look at the volume increase, and I want it to continue. Can I get it? Just gonna crash 3 cents, just for the fun of it. Come on. Now that will be my final trade. I'm not going to take any more. The time for me to trade is done, and it's already 54 bucks lost. That could be the baddest day I had this month, which is almost a full risk level. I'm kind of waiting. I don't know what the stock is going to do. It's really heavy. By the way, it's really heavy, but kind of my partial one is 8, 14, 15. So I'm not asking for a lot, just 15 cents move. And I think even this stock can do that if it's going to move. Right now it's looking really bad for me. Kind of expected the momentum to continue, which did not happen. And the most important one is, how do I reduce my risk? So I'm pretty much on my half risk now, even less than that. And I'm looking to see what I can do with a stop here. Just need a bit momentum. Gonna break 805 will be more than enough for me to put my stop on my entrance. But it's still fighting and doesn't do a lot. It's really depressing. Come on, break the 8. Everybody see the 8, and are you going? Okay, by the way, my stop is like 2-3 cents below my entrance, so hopefully it will never come. And now I'm going to see the 8 pop, and then kind of partial 1 and maybe partial 2. That would be amazing, but let's start with partial 1. Let's start with moving the stop to the entrance. Right now it's kind of stuck where it is, and that's bugging me. Come on. And it's crashed. It moved down and didn't move up. That wasn't my day. Not a single one that actually made money. I lost only 16 bucks, but still, look at that. Crash, and recover later, but nothing really worked today. So that's about all, guys. Thank you for watching. Join me by comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one.